Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Barclays bank error. So let's get started. So here we can see the Barclays bank here. So to fix this, you have to follow these steps. So press and hold it here. Then you have to click on this I button. Okay. So here you have to scroll down at the last and click on the storage option. Then you have to click on the clear data. And then you have to open it again. If it's worked, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to check for the update. Just go to the Google search bar and search for the Barclays app. Then here you have to click on here, and if it shows the update version here, you can update it and you can use it. And the fourth solution is to reinstall it. Directly click on the uninstall and uninstall the app, and then you can install it again via your Google Play Store and you can use. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.